Hi, what's your name?
My name is Ben. What is your name?
My name is Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Brazil. What about you?
I am from Thailand.
Do you live in a big city?
No, I live in a small town. It's quiet and nice. Do you live in a city?
Yes, I live in a big city. It is busy and noisy.
Do you like your city?
Yes, I like it. There are many things to do. What do you do?
I am a student. I study English.
Oh, me too. Why do you study English?
I want to travel and talk to people. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. I want to visit Japan.
That sounds fun. What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. What about you?
I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat bread and eggs. Do you drink coffee?
No, I drink milk or tea. What do you do in the morning?
I go to school. How do you go to school?
I go by bike. It takes 15 minutes. How long is your trip?
I take the bus. It takes 20 minutes.
What do you study at school?
I study English and history. What about you?
I study English and math.
Do you like math?
Not really. It's hard. Do you have many friends at school?
Yes, I have many friends. We play and laugh a lot.
That's great. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like basketball. What sport do you like?
I like soccer. I play every weekend.
Who do you play with?
I play with my cousins. Do you watch sports on TV?
Yes, I watch big games. My favorite team is the Lakers.
Cool. I like music too. Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. My favorite singer is Adele.
I like her too. Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano. What about you?
I play the guitar. I have played for 1 year.
That's nice. Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents and my sister.
I have a brother. He is older than me.
What does your brother like to do?
He likes to play video games. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Her name is Coco. Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
Is your house big?
No, it is small. It has 4 rooms. What about your house?
My house has 6 rooms. My favorite room is my bedroom.
Mine too. What is your favorite food?
I love pizza. Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy food. I like sweet food.
Do you cook?
Yes, I cook pasta and vegetables. Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I eat fruits and salad. I try to eat healthy.
What do you want to do in the future?
I want to be a doctor. And you?
I want to be a teacher. I like helping children.
That's wonderful. Do you want to live in another country?
Yes, I want to live in Canada. What about you?
I want to live in Australia. I think it's a beautiful country.
Do you think English will help you?
Yes, English is very useful. Are you happy learning English?
Yes, I am very happy. I enjoy learning with you.
Me too. Let's keep learning together.